This is Ling Chi, brush painting for beginners. And today we're going to do fish. I'm going to take you to the other side to show my inspiration and partial work. And then also this subject, what it's about. This subject was brought the development of our dragon demo, which was received very well. So the first piece of work is done by Ling Chi, and of course he's a master. And then I was inspired by how he did the fish. It started to the dorsal fin, the middle of the fish, and then the body of the fish, and then the head, and then the tail. And it's very wet on a double Xuan, and so that's a little bit tricky for beginners. How do you keep your brush wet? And then from there, I want to show you that my practice piece that made it a little bit simpler than the one that he did. And then this one is partially done by me. While the head is wet, I didn't finish. In case that I was have to wait during my demo, I might use this piece to finish. So then we'll start to do the fish. I'm having one of these, what they call double strength, single Xuan, and our Double Xuan A. And 1/3 of sheets. And I'm going to use 3 brushes. Our large Ling brush for the big shape, and then our full lotus for the smaller shape, and then mountain horse fine for the line work. And if you don't have the Ling brush, the Phoenix would do a large shape brush. And the full lotus also can be replaced by either large flow or super flow. If you don't have the large brush, then you would just go scale down to use super flow for the large shape, and then flow for the middle shape, and then a line brush. Then your fish just going to be smaller. I don't have any color on this subject. I made it 3 strength of ink. This is the lightest ink, medium ink, and then the dark ink. If you are going to do ink painting, I would suggest that these are the 3. Degradation is very common. So if you want to do other subject, just ink only, then I would do that. So I will show you what it looks like on the paper, what the light ink is like. This is the light ink. And then this is the medium ink. And then this is totally strength ink. So light ink for the center of the fish. And then the body of the fish, I load light ink and then medium ink, then I blend. And then I have my tip of the brush toward outside. Started from the middle. And then doing the other side of the body. So you can see there's ink variation in the middle. So make it disappear. Okay, now I'm using my giant chilling brush. I'm loading light ink and then the head, dark ink on the head, and then blend. So watch my tip is toward that side, and it's a scooping action. And then I rinse the brush, and then I'm dipping the light ink, not too wet, medium ink, and then I'm going to do the tail. It's a side up action. And then the side fin. Okay. So now I'm going to use my line brush with light ink to shape this fish. Okay, now I'm using straight ink to do the eyes. add a little whisker. And then I'm going to use medium ink to accent the fin. So I might add a little, fill up that. Okay, so now I'm doing the water to show the fish is in the water in the wave. So light ink, dip into the medium ink. So the top is going downwards, the bottom is going upwards. Splashing some water. Okay, this is the fish.